Ingo chaka kegima omwanchi omoligereria nigongo chakera county ya Kisii abo asengo komanyibuna eyamate EYEMO nigo eganitie obwene magega y'umwana obo gosiria obugima bwaye ase alegosoma eskuru EYEMO ime county ya Kisii. Umwana oyo nigaringe ekerasi ya 10 oyo sireti obugima bwaye ase eskuru eyo nabo igo nigo ngina omwana aikerenta chinsemecho magega yo gwakerwa esimi na gotebigwa egekorekyo. Omorikito Brighton Makoli na talete nseme yo na gotwaliganiria orobotiro asinchira yobwikiranu.
Eyamate EYEMO abairi nabasani nigo bagendete kumata na gotwara amayanda manene magega y'umwana uri gosoma eskuru EYEMO ase county ya Kisii gosiri obugima bwaye asenjera etamanyikaneti Baukwana ngina omwana oyo niga kwerera ngakyanyarithika wakerwe simi korwa ase skuru eyo ekera igetorro akanyora lingana litamo gogetie.
Nyamira ni mtoto wangu anasoma Nyabururu. Nilipata simu jana saa 11 asubuhi na deputy akinipigia akiniambia wewe ni mama iPhone. Nikamwambia ndio. Eti wanafunzi wote wametoka madomu wameenda madarasani. iPhone amebaki kwa domu kama amelala ongei, amejisusulia. Akaniambia tumepeleka Ivondebo 5, kimbia umuone. Alipigia simu sijui mara ngapi, aliniharakisha sana. Nilipofika kwa shule, nikapata shemeji yangu amefika. Akaniambia Jackie pole, Ivoni yuko, Ivoni amekufa.
Kurende nigo bono banyarire bakuburia serikali gokora obutuki erikoirera ningigererete umwana oyo gosiria obugima bwaye asenjera oikabono etaramanyikana.
We demanded for an explanation which we have not been given. We went and reported the matter police and the police informed us to go there today because the DCI was not available. The school administration has not offered any explanation to the cause of the death of this girl. We want to know the cause of the death of this child. Otherwise, we appeal to the government to have this investigation done conclusively and to our satisfaction.
Korengana na mamu mwabo nyagosira ni gatebiruna mwana oye tanya koigwa gose orwarire gose tanya gotebi kurwa ase skuru buno mwana oye oigure bobe gotatiga litukira nyarteka gwakerwa esimi.
Fanyia nini? Mmanifanyia nini? Mtoto wangu akuwa mgonjwa, tafadhali mnisaidie serikali. Mnisaidie serikali. Tafadhali wasione sisi ni maskini watu nyanyase.
And this girl has not been having any underlying case that could have caused a sudden death. We suspect there must have been a reason why she died.
Thomas Magale nango uyu mwana uyu siri ubugima bwaye ekranyarika otyabuna nigo banyarire bagotebiwa chinguma gose nigo banyarire bakonyora mangana ataraba cyomotwe korengana no gosira ko mwana oye.
It was a mysterious death because so far it is almost 48 hours since then. But there is no any information which has been given out concerning the dead. Now we are appealing to the public and the government as a whole. We know that there's the rule of law. We know that we have better mechanisms which can handle the issue.
Bono nigia mateyo ya tebruna tirichiko genderera nimeroberio yoko moenia omwana oyo nyagosira goike serikali ya korobotuki na baroba amanyire ninkikirete omwana oyi gosiri obugima bwaye.
It is my sincere surprise that since the child passed on, if possible, we could have proceeded with the burial proceedings, but we have no way we can proceed without any explanation from the government and the relevant bodies.
Samsoni nyambane oyikonye okurwa ebese yogosomi omwana oyo nigo bono aboririe skuru ya somwana oyo konya gosoma wesokya na kwerera ningi kirirete wo mwana oyo agasiri obugima bwaye.
There must have been a reason why she died, which must be offered by the school administration.
Omwarimu manene bwe skuru eyo kolende niganyarika okana chingume cyo buno mwana oyo nigasirete eskuru. Kuripota jiketa seni Ndizi TV, eredariane Brighton Makoli.